Welcome, you both. We are so grateful you have chosen to join us on this journey of self-exploration and discovery. Today we will focus on the art of compromise. Compromise is vital to any successful relationship. It allows us to meet in the middle, to find the balance between what we each bring to the table. We put in the effort to compromise, to understand each other better and come closer together. Today, we're going to spend some time learning how to compromise together, to learn how to understand each other better and come closer together by finding the balance that works best for you both. Let's begin by getting ourselves into a comfortable and relaxed position. Take a few moments to adjust your body and make yourself comfortable, either lying on your back with your legs outstretched or sitting up in a comfortable position. Take some slow, deep breaths. Focus on each inhalation and exhalation, and make sure each breath is full and deep. In through the nose, out through the mouth. As you breathe, begin to relax your body, starting from your head and working your way down your body to your feet. Now, focus on keeping your breathing slow and even, and allow your body to drift into a state of relaxation. Let's start with a visualization. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place. It might be a beach, a forest, a garden, or any place that brings you inner calm and peace. Visualize the details of this place, from the colors and shapes of the environment to the smells and sounds of the surrounding area. Take a few moments to explore this place. Make an effort to really become one with your peaceful surroundings. Once you feel comfortable and relaxed in your special place, begin to bring your attention to your body. Focus on how your body is feeling and how at peace you are in such a tranquil location. Now, let's take some time to think about your relationship with your partner. Think about the challenges you both are facing and how much effort you put into understanding each other. Think about the moments when you both disagree. How do you usually handle them? Does one of you tend to dominate the conversation and win the disagreement? Take a few moments to answer the questions in your own mind. Remember, there is no right or wrong answer. It's just important to take some time to think about the challenges you face when it comes to compromise. Now, let's refocus on the goal of today's meditation, to learn how to find the balance between what you each bring to the table. Start by visualizing a balance that's perfect for you both, the balance between yourselves. What does it look like? What does it feel like? Take some time to really explore this image in your mind. Feel the sense of balance between the two of you and how it works in your relationship. Remember, this balance is perfect for you both, so pay attention to how it feels. Now, let's take some time to think about your individual needs in the relationship. What do you need from your partner in order to feel balanced and content? How can both of you compromise in order to find a peaceful resolution, allowing both of you to feel like you have been heard and respected? Take some time to answer these questions. Remember, it's important to remember that you are both taking time and effort for each other in order to find balance. As long as this is the goal in mind, you will be able to find peace and harmony in your relationship. Now, let's take some time to focus on your partner. Think about the way they think, their motivations and desires. What do you need to remember about your partner in order to foster a deeper understanding and connection? Take some time to really think about how to develop more understanding with your partner. Remember to communicate your thoughts, feelings, and desires in a way that they can also understand. Now, let's focus on the present moment. Pay attention to how your body feels, the warmth of your skin, and the stillness of the air around you. Take some deep breaths, paying attention to the air entering and leaving your body. When you are ready, slowly begin to come back to the here and now. Take your time, bringing yourself further and further back to the present moment with each breath. Take some time to reflect on what you have learned today about yourself, about your partner, and about compromise. Come back to the peaceful place you visualized and take some time to be in the here and now, giving yourself the time and space you need to be your best self. We will now end our meditation session with one final moment of stillness. Goodbye, and thank you for your time. With our willingness to compromise, we can cultivate deeper understanding, trust, and compassion in our relationships. Take one final breath and then slowly open your eyes, feeling alert and re-energized. Pause for 1 second. Namaste.